Yeah. So now we are going to say hero underscore section, and then we're going to paste it. Save it. Come here. Where? Here. And oops. Oh, the same thing. Hero section dot css. That's fine. So now let's deal with these ones. Yeah. So first of all, h1. So we're going to say not h1 only. We want to say the dot hero section. Inside the hero section, the h1 we have is going to have the styling of this thing. So font size is very big. Okay, even though it's h1, you see it's so small. So font size is very big. So 60 pixel, kinda. 60 pixel works, kinda. Much bigger. So yeah, now I think it's fine. So as I said, you might think like, okay, why these are not capitalized? We have to say text transform. You by coding a lot, by doing like not a lot, like making one or two very decent website, you're going to memorize this. So you have to type text transform in a just on one website so many times. So we have capitalize, which is only the first letter is going to what? Get capitalized, lowercase, all lowercase. Math auto, I don't know what the hell is this. None, I don't know. Uppercase is all uppercase, which in our case is what we want. Yeah, uppercase. And check it, all uppercase. But in here, in the subtitle, which one do we use?
Yeah, it's capitalized.
Capitalize. Yeah. We also say, yeah, it's called capitalize. So it's very nice that CSS has these features. Now, what about this one? Like, what about they have two lines? How do we deal with this? So very simple. Just the width, change the width. Okay. Since justify flex is just justify, sorry, align item center, we don't have to worry about center. So it's all automatically going to be center. So if I say 20 pixel, it's going to be like squeezed so hard. Like, look at this. Like, see, it's not even it's not even inside this container, this text, inside this div. So let's try to increase it. I can show you how it's increasing. So it's going inside the container. Okay, fine. Nice. Okay. All right. All right. We build your home. I think we build your home until this point it was. I'm not sure. Like we build your home. Yes. You build your home. Your secure and safe. Okay, this one. Perfect. Okay. Now copy this thing and paste it. Where? Here, right? I forget always to copy the whole thing. Save it. And here we go. See? No, it doesn't look bad. Like it looks like a Balenciaga website, like stylish. But we can think of it later. But text align center. So this is what is going to centerize this thing. Yeah. So, so nice. And now let's deal with the subtitle. And then we're going to work with this one, which is the h3. So let's come here, say add dot hero section h3. Font size 20 pixel. Kind of like take the full width. That's what I want. I think they have done the same, right? Full width. No, they have taken the width from secure and safe. Okay, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take secure and safe. All right. And text, transform, capitalize, right? Looks like this. One thing I didn't do is that, which I will do later after fixing this, is now the only thing which is remaining is color white. Ta-da. So yeah, looks good. And the padding, as I said, as we change the sizes from inside, the padding is like changed. I think I gave the box sizing border box, didn't I? Okay. I don't know why it's not supposed to do this. But what we can do now is go to hero section and change the padding again. So the padding top is fine. The padding bottom is what we need to change. Yeah, like this. Okay, the padding top we also need to change. So like this. Like this. Like I think this is fine. Also, I kind of don't like the H1. It's too much big. So padding top. Where is it? Hero section. Okay. Kind of I want to make it, oops. Kind of I want to make it, I don't see the inspect. It's a bit small. Yeah, I think this is fine. 70 pixels. Yeah, I think this is fine, right? Now is the fun part, which is this like this? Yeah, it's like this. You adding this image, you know? So inspect, and then we're going to oh, they have used Bootstrap. You're going to learn one day what Bootstrap is. But come here and so what we do is that we kind of like try to find this whole section, right? Which is overlapping this top one. Click it, and then you kind of find the try to find the background image. You don't have to learn how to find the background image, but it's not bad to kind of search for how it works. So let me search it. Div, this one, not this one, no, not this one. This one. Slider active. Oh, this is old carousel. All right. So the way old carousel works is that we have different images. So container, slider. This is the slider, and each slider has a. Let me enlarge it to understand. This one slider text. How can I find the image? Div row. I think container single slider. Okay, here you go. This one, right? So this one is the image. See? So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna just throw it here and then cut it again and put it in here. So we have the image. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm watching what you're doing.
I thought that you slept.
So,
Good. No problem. So now what we have to do is that why I put this header around all of this thing. Now it might make sense, which is I want to add background to this header, because this header what it is called, confines this whole top bar, this menu, everything. Okay, it's the parent div. Okay? It contains all of these things like top bar, menu bar, top address, and this one which we have. All right, so we're going to do this in here, but before that, let's change the name of this thing. Download.webp. We're going to name this hero background. So WebP is another format for image extension. Okay, and it's very much size consuming. I mean, size efficient. Okay, it doesn't consume much size, so many people use this kind of thing into their website. Of course not in here. It should be in header here. So header, I'm gonna say background image URL. Okay, /assets /hero. Okay, let me add it from VS Code. It's going to be easy this way. So go to the header menu, maybe from the global section. Yeah. So background image URL /assets /hero background of it. See, this is our
Ta-da.
website. Yeah, ta-da. This one almost looks good. Yes. So what's not okay, so we have given some some codes that's for testing purpose, which is background color tomato and this one. Remove this and ta-da, it looks very, very close. Some problem is this one, this bottom one, you see? There's in the bottom, there is something. So what happened is that when an image is very small, it kind of repeats itself. That's the nature. Let me show you with just a flower. Okay, just let's use the image of a flower. So this one is a small picture. Oh, this was not, it's not a small picture. Okay. My bad. This one, which one is a small picture? This one. Yeah, I can check this one. Okay, so copy image link, and if I use this image in here, you're going to see it repeats itself. Where is the header? Here. So instead of this one, what I want is this one. Oh, this is very big, that's why. So if an image is small and it doesn't take the whole space like this flower did, then it will small size. Much smaller. Oh, this one, very small. Yeah, copy image link. And oh, let's come in here and then come in here and header, and let's change this thing, paste the link. See, it's just repeating itself.
Mhm.
So this is the nature of the background. So to remove this nature, what we do is that we say, what is this? We don't need this one. So to remove this problem, we say background repeat none. So no background repeat. Oh, not none. Oh, no repeat. Sorry, no repeat. Okay, so it will not repeat. Okay. So to cover the whole image, the background, the cover, or now to center the background, what we can do is background, background position, You can also position X and Y wise, and only position means both X and Y. Position center. It will be in the center. Another thing you can do is that background size, and it's going to cover. Yeah, it's going to cover like this. Okay. Now we can do the same with our image, which we did, and it's always going to be beautiful covered image or background. So where is our header section? No, sorry, header, global here. So where is it? Here. So let's add it in here. Yeah. Save it and see, beautiful, nice. This one here is a bit opaque. This one is not that opaque, although it looks good, but we have to make it opaque. So that we can see read the whatever the message we are giving. So to read it, we have to. Let's see what background color. So this is the color we used it here. Okay. So we're going to do the same. In the header, we're going to do the same. No, sorry, not the header. So basically this one has a background, this one has a background. This section is the hero section, right? So we need background color for the hero section, right? So hero section, and then background color, this one with the hash. See? Now what we need to do is we
Make
need
it
to
transparent.
Yes, exactly. Don't worry about this problem. I'm going to fix it. This one is fine.
Mm,
This one is fine.
a bit more, I think. Yeah.
A bit more like this.
Yep, I think it's fine.
Okay. In the hero section, in here, we add it. Done. We add this nice. What about this one? So what happened is this. What happened
Oh
is
no.
this is sorry.
I said, oh no.
Oh no, don't worry, don't worry. So what happened is that this menu, when we did margin top minus, it went up, but still there is a space in here. Yeah. So that space, the background image has covered, but this one. So we're gonna do the same thing. We have to push it up. It kind of makes sense, right? We have to push the hero section a little bit up. So margin top is, if we give 100 pixel, it's gonna come down 100 pixel. Okay? But if we kind of decrease it, it's gonna keep going up. At one point, it's going to go up and kind of here is where we want to put it. All right. But I know, there is a problem here. No worries about that. So to remove this problem now, so we have done what we wanted, but just now there is a problem. Like this is called the overlaying problem, and it's a very common problem in making websites with HTML and CSS. So that's why we have something called Z-index. Okay, so Z-index is kind of like, I'm going to show you a bit more, but what Z-index is that every element has a Z-index. Okay, so the Z-index, if some element has more Z-index, it's going to overlay the other the Z-index of other elements which has less value. Okay, I'm going to show you, but just show you index. Z-index is 900 or whatever amount. It is give a very big amount. Okay, give a very big amount. No worries with this 999 or whatever big amount. Z-index means what is the priority of showing at the top of one another. Have you ever used Photoshop or something like that? You have layers, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the top layer has is always at the top. Like the top layer shows at the top of other layers, right? So the layer which is at the top, imagine of Z-index as the priority of those layers. Right? First layer is the highest value. The second layer has the lower value than the higher value, and this way. Right? So what's the problem? Why it's not working? hover your mouse here in the I button. It says position static property we cannot use Z index in the position static, which is the default behavior. So we just have to do this position relative. Uh, it has done most of the job. So why it's not working is because the same problem, Z index. So I've given a huge Z index for this one, but what about this one? This one, how much priority does that have? We have to also apply this, apply the same logic here. So Z index 999999. I have given much bigger value, but of course the position should be relative. Let's keep this one first, position relative. This one should have lower value than the previous value. I'm just messing this up, I guess. But no worries. It's not working. Why? Let me check. Oh, now it's working. Okay, I explained this thing. So this one, okay, the top one is at the top of this bottom one, hero section, right? So the menu is at the top of the hero section, right?
Yeah,
And
makes sense.
the hero section is below it. So always remember, I'm going to again show you a demo of Z index, no worries. But just remember that the element which is going to be at the top, you want to show at the top of other element should have more Z index. So here, just let me show you the menu container. Let me give the number doesn't matter what number you give, just the value matters, the comparison matters. So I gave here 20. Okay, I give here Z index of 20. All right, and I come in here and then I give it a Z index of, see, it's not doing anything, 19. See, if I give 19, it's below it. But if I give it 20, see, it's above it. See? Makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. And position is going to be always relative when you apply Z index. That's it. Nothing much. So menu container, this menu is above the hero section. So what I did is that I inspected it and I have given it a property of Z index, but higher value. But the good rule is that to give a very good value so that later maybe we add something else and it doesn't conflict and you get confused what's happening. So give it a very high value, no worries at all. And give it a little bit less value. Still high value, but this is something that we do actually. Oh, it's fine. Okay, this is too much. This one is fine. All right. So copy this thing, add it in the menu container. Did that make sense, or you want me to explain
Yeah,
more?
yeah.
Okay.
No, I think it's understandable.
Okay. Menu. Global menu. Where is menu? I forgot. What? Oh, header menu. Yes, yeah. So in the menu bar here, we're going to go and give a, not in here exactly, in here, menu bar. Let me get the setting. So, and in the hero section, we're going to do the same, but have lower Z values. So in the head values, we're going to add more. I think. Oh, I forgot the margin top. So the margin top, I forgot what was the exact value, but let's add again. So it's minus 25 pixels. Why is the why it's not working? Menu bar. Oh, why menu bar? Damn, it's in the hero section. Yeah. All right. Still not working in the hero section. Save it. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, looks good.
Yep.
So I think that's all for today. Or do you want to do do you have the energy to do the next section?
I think we'll leave that for the other
Yeah.
session
Yeah,
because
we
it
can.
has, yeah, but
Yeah,
we're
we can do
getting
this.
close. It kind of looks the same. So
Yeah, kind of looks the same. Yeah, we can work on nitty-gritty later. So basically, when we do the when we make this part, okay, when we mark this part, then you can make other parts as well. It's gonna be very easy. This part is gonna be easy. This part is gonna be easy. We're not gonna do this one. This one is JavaScript. We're going to learn JavaScript later. But yeah, this one is very easy. It looks like awesome, but also very easy to do it. Okay. And yeah, we will do it all.